Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can unsend an email on Gmail. So if you have sent something by accident to someone or just completely wrong message, etc., then we have a short period before the message is sent and we can undo the action. In order to do that, let's actually compose a message first. So let's fill this in. Alright, so now after filling this in, I'm gonna click send, and then you will notice on the left side there will be a notification. So let's take a look. I'm gonna click send. And then we have message sent, and we can click undo. If we do that on time, we will undo the action and we still have time to make some adjustments or completely not send the message at all. However, we have only a short period of time, because once this notification is gone, then now as you can see, undo is gone as well. We can only view the message. If you want to, you can adjust the time for undo. And in order to do that, we need to go to settings. So let's click on this icon over here in the top right corner and then click see all settings. After that, we have in general undo send. And we have send cancellation period, where we can change the seconds to 5, 10, 20 or 30. So if you want to have the possibility to unsend the message for a little bit longer than 5 seconds, then you can choose up to 30 seconds. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.